Hey there, I'm Matt. Welcome to Work Smarter. Today, I'll show you how you can build your own very powerful lead gen automation using N8N and AI agents. If you are tired of manually chase leads, sending repetitive outreach emails, or wasting hours to verify contact information, you are going to love this. By the end of this video, you'll have everything to automate your lead generation process, save time, money, and get rid of headache. In just a few steps, we scrape real-time job posts and gather verified contact information from them and draft a customized, personalized, cold email based on company needs thanks to AI and instantly upload leads into our AI CRM. Let's jump in. First, I will show you the demo, and after, we will go on this automation step by step. This is the workflow we worked on. This is the N8N lead gen system. And if you are new to N8N platform, it's an all-code AI agent building platform. You can just pull the nodes and you can create your own automation and AI agent systems. Let's first test this system together and let's see how it's working. And after it, I will explain each step and I will show you how you can create your own automation with exact system. Now, we click test, and as you will see, we have a form here. I will check for example, social media. You can search position or keyword. And country will be US, and location is not important. You can choose New York, Los Angeles, is up to you, but this is important, max 10 items. So I will just pull 10 job postings about social media in US. You can pull 100. 1000, it's up to you. This is just for testing. Now it started. As you can see, we got our job postings from Indeed thanks to Apify Indeed crawler, and I will explain how you can set up and work with this system. I will explain Apify, Apollo, Million Verifier, all of them. Now we are waiting here. Why we are waiting? Because in the background, as you can see, it's running. And we are waiting for finish this task. If we can stop this crawler, it will run, and that's why we are checking it's done or not. When it's done, we will continue to other steps. We will pull the company names. But in your automations, in your AI agent systems, you can use this wait node and you can use this if section for the task uncertain time. For example, if you pull 10 company, maybe it will be 30 seconds, but if you pull 1000 companies, it will be much longer. So we don't have an estimated time for this. Now we are getting emails, verify emails with Million Verifier, and I will show you each steps why we are using these tools and how it's creating results. And as you can see, we are started created emails. I will send them. I will not send them an email. Actually, I will send these emails to myself for test purposes, but you will see the result. As you can see, we set 10, but we sent 7 emails, and I will explain why. You can see here. Hi, Scott. Are you finding it challenging to drive engagement in your digital marketing efforts for Jeter? At Work Smarter, we believe there's a way to enhance your current strategies without the need to expand your team. Our vibrant AI agent community specializes leveraging AI to supercharge productivity in sales and lead generation. Let's explore how we can help you streamline your efforts and maximize your ROI. Looking forward to connecting. It's simple but to the target. And as you understand, we are catching job postings, and we understand the company needs, the target companies, because they are posting a job, so they need people to work on their social media. They want to expand their social exposure. They want to create more content, and we can offer these solutions to them because they want it. They will hire, and it's really costly hiring a person, and we can offer them AI services, and we can cut their costs. So probably they will like our solutions. But you can use this for every sector. If they have a need, and if you have a solution, you can go to them directly with this method. And if you want to create a solution, a possible solution to companies, you can check their job postings and you can understand what they need. Is another way around, and you can understand what they need and you can create a solution just for them. So in this approach, you will understand their needs and you will offer personalized solutions. You will say you need this, but we offer this one, and they will understand their needs and you can offer something for them. That's a powerful side of this agent AI automation, because they already need this service. They say, and you offer them. You can use this for dentists, for medical tourism, for law companies, private clinics. You can imagine every sector. If you posted a job, you can check it, and if you can create something for them. And by the way, we are creating these AI businesses in the Work Smarter, our school community. Let me show you. As you can see, in Work Smarter, we have classrooms here. We have AI agency program, Winners Club, Level Up, AI business ideas, and AI agents, and we are creating these solutions for the businesses together. And when you join, drop a message, tell about your goals and what you want to create. What is your goal with AI? You can leverage AI for your business, or you can create AI services to sell other companies. Tell us and we will plan your journey together. We will help you personally. So I dropped the link below. You can join if you want. It's a new. Okay. Now, let me explain each node one by one. And after we will check the details. First, we have form submission, but you can use any type of trigger, because anytime workflows start with trigger. You have to use a trigger to start this workflow. In this scenario, we are using anytime form. By the way, you can use Telegram, Slack. It's up to you, but also you can, for example, you can pull this form and you can use it in your own website too. So maybe you have a funnel. You can create a funnel and you can put this form and you can start automation system from your funnel. There is lots of options. We are starting with form submission and we are sending the data, the social media, because we are checking the companies who are looking for social media person, maybe social media manager, maybe content creator, maybe marketing manager who have social media abilities. That's why we are using. Also, we told which country we want to check, and also max limit, how many job posting we want to pull. After it, we have Apify in the job crawler. Apify is a scraper website, you can see. We have many scraper. They are calling them actors, and you can see web scraper, Instagram Reel scraper, YouTube scraper. There are lots of possibility you can use. You can find a lot of actors in their website. In this scenario, we are using in this scraper. In this scraper, get the in the job listing from Indeed. I will show you how you will set up each of them, by the way. But first, I explain the whole system. Now we have a wait node. As I said, we have to wait for operation done, and we are checking the status. It's done or not from Apify. And there's if not. If it's done, if it's succeeded, we are going to next step. If it's not, we are going back to wait. After it, we have another Apify node, and in this node, we are getting company names from Indeed. We found the job postings, but we want the companies. When we got company names, we can go to next node, and it's Apollo people search. In this step, we are checking the people working on these companies. We got the company names, and we are finding the people working in these companies. So In this step, we will use Apollo, and you can see the dashboard, and I will show you how you will set up Apollo 2. And after it, we will split out the data coming from here. As you can see, data looks like this. We have 10 items. For example, Razor management level, Razor, by the way, company. Here you can see open love, management level, found ID marketing, management level. We will see the people, by the way. For example, you can see Andrew Guzman. We have CEO of this company. We have all the data. We have Jerome Collin from Red Bull, Chief Financial Officer. Why we are getting these people? Because we are just targeting C-level. But you can play with these filters. You can just, for example, you can just target HR manager. You can just target operations manager. It's up to you. We are targeting C-level in this scenario. Now, after the Apollo people search, we are getting emails from Apollo again. We will use Apollo again, but we will get emails of these people. It's another step. We found the people working in these companies, but we need their emails. Now we are getting emails of them. You can see 30 items we have. After we are getting the emails, we will check email quality, for example, because it's important to decide and create marketing campaign called outreach campaign with healthy emails. What is the healthy email? Email probably will arrive. It will not bounce. And probably we will check the email. And thanks to Million Verifier, we have this data, as you can see. By the way, risky, I don't say you don't use the risky email. You can use risky email, but don't use bad ones, probably invalid email. Also create different campaigns for good ones and different campaigns for risky ones, and track your bounce rates, track your opening rates. It's important. That's why plan whole step different ways. For example, you got good ones. In this scenario, just for good ones will be separate and we will track them separately. Risky ones will be separate in our CRM and we will track them separately. But it's not ending this. You will see we have companies, but we are checking people, and sometimes we don't find. Sometimes we don't get the people from Apollo 2 because sometimes we don't get all the people from Apollo from the companies because they don't have these people data, but these companies still valuable for us. That's why we will use another operation for it. Now, this is a separate one. I will show that one also. As we can see, it's all done. By the way, it sent emails to. It created the emails and sent to. You can see here. Well, let me show you the email. By the way, it's in my phone right now. Here. Hi, Scott. Are you finding it challenging to drive? And by the way, same one. Okay. Hi, Petar. Are you looking for ways to enhance your team's productivity without the need for additional hires? At WorkSmarter, our community AI SDR experts can help you leverage artificial intelligence to supercharge your digital marketing strategies. For example, we have lots of. Hi Ryan, have you considered how AI could enhance your social media strategies at Intersport? Instead of adding more team members, leveraging AI tools might boost your existing productivity and help you manage campaigns for your diverse client base more efficiently. As you can see, by the way, there is a problem. Let me check. There's a problem. It has to be HTML. That's why it looks like this. I will show. But when you make this HTML, it will be okay. Now, this is a one way. You can just send these emails to customers. There's another way, by the way. We have an AI CRM. We are using this, for example. You can see here. And we have triage here. We have all the lists here, active lists, open. This is the CRM. Blaze is one of our AI agents. And you can see here all the details and knowledge too. And this part is important. When there's a lead, we have knowledge base about them, for example. I need AI education services. I want to learn about work smarter like this. And if we have video call with them, we have video URL, transcription of them, and we are saving all of them to vector database. It's more complicated, but in future videos, I will show you this AI CRM system. And when you join WorkSmarter, you can ask for this system and you can get it. You can start with work with it. AI CRM gets all the emails, all the leads, and captures all the data about them and creates a knowledge base. It knows your customers, each of them personally, and creates personalized marketing funnels and campaigns. You can save this to here. For example, you can get the data, you can get the lead, and you can save it with the email, by the way, draft email, and you can send it and you can follow them too. Also, you can use smart leads. I will show another video smart leads too. But let me explain how the system works first. On form submission, there is no need to authentication. By the way, you can use this URL in your website. You will get the production one when you make this scenario active. You can use production URL. You will create form exactly like this. You can copy and paste. Position key was for search text, and software engineer is placeholder. It will be gray, like example what to write. Country search text, write like this. This is again example. You will write US. No need this one. Location for search. You can specify the city. For example, just New York, just Washington, DC. And max items is important. You have to fill this. City is optional, but this is not. You have to decide how many job postings you want to scrape. You can create this one like this, and as you can see, we have result here: social media, US, no location, so empty, and max item 10. Submitted for mod test because we are using tests one. We are testing in workflow. After it, we have Apify in the job crawler. Now, Apify in the job crawler, we are using HTTP request post. You can see HTTP request. When you choose this HTTP request, you can put it here. And we are choosing post method. We will use this URL. Why we are using this URL, I will show you right now. This is Apify. You can find when you go to store after registering, you can find the Indeed scraper. When you click start, it will be on your actors. You can run it and it will be on your actors. As you can see, we have lots of options here, but when we go to API endpoints, actually it tells us how to use this API. As you can see, we are using runs and X and this number, and it says I want Apify X service in the scraper, the name of the scraper, runs token. Now, we are using exactly same thing, but we are not writing here this because we need to use actor's ID in the Apify. That's why we are using this. This part is actor's ID all the time. You can use it. After actors slash, there is actor's ID. And we are using actor's ID in the URL, and we are using exactly like this runs. And there's token here, so we need to set up our authentication. As for the authentication, we will use generic credential type, and we are using query auth. You can choose query auth from here, and you will create your own query auth, and it will look like this: token and your API key. Where you will find your API key, let me show you. There is settings here and API integrations. You can create your token from here, and you can copy and paste here. We have header. We are sending the API key authentication through headers, but we have to send body too. And body looks exactly like this. By the way, you can pull these from here and you can put them here. We are getting them from schema thanks to anytime we can use them really easy. But let me show you whole JSON body. country coming from here. This is false. Location coming from here. It's optional. Max items coming from here. Position coming from here, as you can see. And that's all. You can copy and you can use exact body and you will create your Apify job crawler. After it, we have wait note, and you can see 10 seconds. There's 10 seconds wait note. And in this HTTP request, we are checking the status of the operation, and you can use directly this one actually. And if the status succeeded, so we are using if not, by the way, all of them you can get from here. You can see if not, you can get from here, and you will configure like this. You will get the data, status data here, as you can see, succeeded is equal to succeeded. So if it's connected, if it succeeded, you will connect true here and false here. Now, we have another HTTP request node, and this one is get, because we will get the company names from the results. As you can see here, actors, scraper, runs. So we have position names, we have salary, we have job type, company, location. We just want the company name from here right now, because we will search the people in exact this company. So that's why we are pulling the company names in our workflow actually. For this, we are using this one, as you can see, and this is enough. We will get the data from Apify. By the way, let me show you. You can see the positions, you can see the salary if they specified. In US, generally they give the salary to expect, or there is expected salary, because there's market level like this. After getting the company names, we will go to Apollo, because Apollo will search these companies and will find the people in these companies. So for this, you can go to apollo.io. Now, this is the landing page, and here you can see integrations. When you click integrations, there's API. You will start to use API from here. You can see from left, you can create your API, and you will use API in this node. By the way, this is again HTTP request post, and we will use mix people search API endpoint for searching the people in these companies. So you can use this, but here we will use header authentication. For this, you will choose header auth from here, and you will write X API key, and you will paste your API key here. You got your API key from here, you will paste it here. Okay then. And as you can see, we have company Vezora, we have company Shuai Fire, we have company OpenLove. So now this is the authentication. We have to send these parameters. How we know this actually? When you go to apollo.io, actually all the platforms says us how we can use their API endpoints, what we have to send them in the body of the JSON. So as you can see, we have person titles, include similar titles, person seniorities, which we are using actually. We are using C-suite for management level, but you can just target owner, founder, VP, director, or all the managers or seniors, or just interns. Is up to you. But Apollo says what we can use. Also, organization domain list, contact email status, verified, unverified. It's not important for us right now, but some operations is important. Also, as you can see, number, employee range, and keywords, Q keywords. What we are using Q keywords, as you can see, we are getting company name as Q keyword. Also, we are getting management level, so C-suite. But let me show you an example. Where is it? Let's say you pulled all the job listings from US, but you want just look to Texas, for example. You can copy this part. You will add parameter. This is the name and this is the value. So if you run this like this, you will get the results from Texas. I'm not getting this, that's why I delete. So that's easy. Apollos want this information and we are giving this. So when we send this, we will get the people in these companies with their roles, their data. After it, we are split it out, so we can use them. As you can see, we are splitting just people because we are getting all the information, again, company names, company details, etc. But we don't want that. We just want people in this point. So that's why we have Andrew here, as you can see. That's why we have Jerome. That's why we have Aina and Alexander. We have all the people. So after it, we are split out all the people data, and after it, we will check their emails one by one, thanks to Apollo again. So this time, you can use same authentication, by the way, but this time we are sending post request to this URL. And we are using these fields, query parameters. Reveal personal emails, true. Real phone number, false. ID coming from here because we found these people in Apollo, and in Apollo, each company, each person has unique ID. So we can get the ID from the node before, let's say from split out, and it's actually coming from Apollo here, and we are getting ID from here, as you can see, and we can find exact person in Apollo again for checking the email of them. That's all, by the way. After it, in this, actually, we are getting the results. You can see. Sorry, dear Andrew Guzman, I am showing your email address, but it's coming from you. You can get all the email addresses, all the data from here, actually, with this Apollo tool. So first we found job listings. After we get company names in this job listings. After we scrape the companies, we get the people. We found the people in these companies, and now we are finding their email addresses. You can see there is 30 results. Verify email with million verifier. So what is the million verifier? Million verifier helps us to get the status of the email address. Is it healthy? Has a good health, so not bouncing, and probably they will open the email or not. Or it's a new email or old email. There are many criteria to decide email address good or not, but good or risky, but bad is definitely bad. But risky can work again. In this scenario, I am showing just good ones, but you can create separate scenarios, as I said before. And first you can run on good ones, and after you will run on risky ones, for example. And after you will run on just for companies, and I will show you how it's working. Now, this is the results coming from medium verifier. By the way, this is again HTTP request node, but we are using get here, like getting the company names. Here also we are using get. We will use this one, and we will create another query authentication. This is the API. We will write API and we will paste the API here. You can see medium verifier here. You can upload file, you can paste email list, or you can use API, as you can see. I am not going to API here because it's revealing, but you can see API is here. You will get your API and you will paste it here, actually. Email coming from here, as you can see. Personal email here. And timeout 10. That's all. It's enough, and you will get all emails, good, risky, or bad. Many risky, and it's really a normal thing, actually. That's why I first configure the campaign on the good ones, and after on the risky ones. Do not bother to create campaign for bad ones, actually. It's not worth. After it, we have filter. We are filtering good ones, and if I make it risky, just risky ones will come. In our scenario, good ones. So we are getting quality from here, from million verifier data, and we have good one here. Thanks to this, we are actually just passed the good ones, so 7 results, just the 7 results, and discarded 23 results. After it, we have cold email agent here. We are using OpenAI ChatGPT model for writing the email, and we are using structured output parser. So we are telling how output has to look. You can see email body. Hi John, how are you? Best regards, Matt. Hi Scott, are you finding it challenging to drive? You can see same structure here. By the way, I am keeping these emails really short and to the point, actually, because this is a cold outreach email. It has to be short. It has to be direct because you want to catch them in a really short time span. Maybe you have seconds to catch their attentions. That's why we are creating short emails and we are just sending. If they want your service, you will catch them. That's the point. So you are a professional cold outreach. This is the agent and this is the prompt of the agent. Again, you can copy and paste or you can get all of them from WorkSmart. As I said, you are a professional cold outreach specialist prompting an AI agent community called WorkSmart. Your target audience are people in the sales and lead gen field. WorkSmart is a community that gathered lots of great minds in the AI SDR field, for example. This is our goal, but you can change it. It's up to you. It's up to what you target actually. If you are targeting social media companies or social media, if you give social media service, you can configure this part for social media. If you want lead generation, configure for lead generation. It's up to you, but keep it minimum, really short and to the point each time. So you can see the email body written from our model, and model is easy, as you can see. We have 7 emails here, and here we have Gmail note. So as you can see, we have Gmail account. You can create your Gmail account so easy. You can sign with Google and message sent, operation sent to, and we are getting subject, email type HTML, and we are getting message from here, message body, email body. It's that easy. But as I said, you can use your own CRM. You can use our AI CRM, or you can just create your database in Airtable from draft, and you can create operation on Airtable. Also, we are showing all the options in our community about lead gen. We are so serious about lead gen, by the way. And if you join, we will create your AI CRM together. And you solve each node. Sometimes I pass fast, but you can stop in this part and you can copy and paste everything in your workflow. But I will show you how you will run on companies. For example, we couldn't find all the people. You can get company data for your workflow. As you can see, it's not people search, it's mixed company search. Same logic. You will use Apollo here, but you will search companies with mixed company search. Again, same API, but you will see here using field below US organization name coming from here. And when I run this, I will search companies. So we will get company data right now. Company information, all the information about the company. So we will use another enrichment technique in these companies. It's different topic, different video, and we will show you how you can run on. And I will show you how you can work on just companies, not the people, but in the end, we have to find the people. But if we couldn't find in Apollo what we can do, I will show you all the details and how you can reach these companies in another video, as I said. But you can use these notes and you can get the information about the company, for example, numbers, all the data, and you can try to find more people in other fields, or you can try to reach them directly. It's up to you. But the third part of this cold outreach campaign, third level, reaching the companies directly. I will show you how you can do this too. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful and you enjoyed the process. I tried to show you in a really detailed way how you can set up, how you can use this, and we are using this system every day actually, and it's really helpful. It's easily 100K system, and if you use it for your business, you will get so much clients for your services. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please push the like button, and you can subscribe to the channel if you want to catch the next videos about AI agents, AI lead gen, making money with AI agents, and work smarter with AI. And you can join Work Smarter school community. We will work with you one-to-one, and we will create solutions for your goals, for your dreams, thanks to AI agents. We will work really close with you. We will have video calls together weekly. I dropped the link below. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next one.